Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will show you how to send Avalanche's AVAX token to the Celsius network and start earning passive income. Now, if you're not familiar with Celsius, it is a platform that basically allows you to earn by lending your crypto to the platform, and then on the flip side, they will lend that crypto out, thus generating a yield that they're able to pay you. And with that being said, they actually pay you on a weekly basis. And pretty much every Monday, I get an email that shows me how much I have earned and I now have access to. And by access, I mean I can actually withdraw my funds from the platform at any given time. Celsius actually pays all fees to transfer off of their platform to, say, your Exodus wallet or to an exchange. They pay all the fees. There are zero fees to transfer your money out of Celsius. Your funds aren't locked up because you're not actually staking, you're just lending your funds to the Celsius network, and they use those funds to lend out and earn a yield that you actually get to share in the profit with. And if we scroll down, you can see some of the rates they pay. For instance, on USDT, if you get paid in CEL, which is not available in the US, but if you are in an area where you can actually get paid in CEL, on USDT, if you're paid in the CEL token, you will earn almost 11%. However, if you prefer to be paid in the actual USDT token, which is how I would prefer to be paid on a stablecoin, is get paid with that stablecoin. Therefore, I'm not going to have any loss. And in that case, I would earn 8.5% interest. And I do actually have some USDT, and it's been earning at least 8.5%. And since this is an APY, it's a yield, this rate can fluctuate, and it's actually gone higher. It's been as high as 10 or 11% in the past. But right now it's currently dipped down to pretty much the lowest I've seen it at 8.5. But because it is a yield, these rates can fluctuate. Now, if we scroll down a little further, you can see on BTC, I am currently actually earning the 6.2% yield, as I do not hold more than a quarter of a Bitcoin on the platform. So I am currently, and have been this whole time, this has not actually gone up or down, but I have been earning 6.2% yield for probably going on almost 1 year now on my Bitcoin that I hold over here in Celsius. But today I will show you how to actually transfer the AVAX, Avalanche's token, over to Celsius. And AVAX was just added to the platform, so it's brand new. And I will be able to earn 7% yield by holding my AVAX over here on Celsius. Now, with that being said, I know you can earn higher rewards on other platforms. However, those are typically staked, and your funds are locked up for 30, 60, maybe as much as 90 days. With Celsius, I can deposit this and withdraw it at any time. Like, say, after a week or two goes by, I need those funds, or AVAX has gone to the moon and I want to take some profit. I can transfer the AVAX back to an exchange and sell it, and I will incur no fee to transfer off of Celsius back to my exchange wallet. And again, I can do that at any time because I don't have a lockup period on any of my crypto that I have over here on Celsius. So that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get into the weeds. Now, if you do not have a Celsius account, I will drop a link in the description down below. And if you use that link, make a small deposit and hold it on Celsius for a small period of time, you will receive $50 of BTC for free. And I will also receive $50 worth of BTC for free. And so to get started, you just come over here to sign up, give that a click, and that will bring you over here to the Celsius sign up page. You fill out the information, you click on enter code. I will have a code for you in the description down below to earn that free Bitcoin. And from there, you click sign up, and you'll be on your way to opening a new account with Celsius Network. That will bring you to the sign in page. You just simply put in the email you signed up with, your password, verify you're not a bot, and click sign in. Next, you will need to put in your authentication code that you created when you set up your account. and that will bring you to the main dashboard. Now, I want to receive AVAX tokens, so I just come over here to the Receive tab, give that a click, and I need to add AVAX as a new coin, so I click on Add New Coins. And in alphabetical order, you will come to Avalanche or the AVAX token, so I just give that a click, Add to List. And if I scroll down through the tokens I now have available to send funds to, at the very bottom, because it was the last one I added essentially, you'll find AVAX, and I can view and copy the address by giving that a click. And it is important when you transfer these AVAX tokens that you are using the C chain native to the Avalanche blockchain. And so with that understanding, I come down here and copy my address. Then I need to jump over to wherever I have those AVAX tokens I want to send. In this case, I can actually buy AVAX tokens on KuCoin. I do actually hold about 10 AVAX tokens currently, but I will show you how you can actually buy a few more AVAX tokens. You just come up here to Trade, Spot Trading. That will bring you over here to the trading dashboard. Then I need to search for the actual pair of AVAX USDT, as that is the currency I'm going to spend to buy these AVAX tokens. And so I can search for AVAX, and that'll bring up a list of options. And in this case, I just want to buy AVAX USDT, so I give that a click. And now I want to actually just buy AVAX. I'm not looking to trade, so I just come over here to Spot. And I normally place limit orders, but for the sake of this video and trying to speed it up, I am going to actually place a market order, which will be filled instantly. A limit order, I would choose my price, but I don't want to wait around for that order to fill, so I'm just going to do a market order. And I'll put in an amount of 840 USDT. At the current prices, that should capture about 10 AVAX tokens. And I click Buy AVAX. You see the order was placed successfully. And if I click on order history, you can see the market order actually was filled. Now I need to jump back over to my assets. All right, so now we're over here on my trading account, and you can see that I have 20 AVAX tokens. I'm ready to now withdraw. Now I could transfer these back to my main account, or I can come up here and click on withdraw, select the coin I want to withdraw. In this case, it's AVAX. It shows that I have just about 20.5 AVAX tokens, and I actually want to transfer the AVAX tokens in my trading account to my main account so I can make this withdrawal. And in this case, the coin is again AVAX, and the amount I want to transfer, I just click on the actual amount it shows available. That will populate down here. I click confirm. And now you can see in my main account I have that 20.5 AVAX tokens. And so now I just need to put in the wallet address we copied earlier from Celsius. So I just paste that address here, which if we jump back over here to Celsius, we can confirm the address. Always a good idea to confirm when you're sending funds. The network, if you remember, I said we need to send this via AVAX. So we want to send it on the C chain. And again, when we jump back over here to Celsius, you can see that you want to use the C chain to transfer these tokens. Now, the amount I want to send will be the maximum amount. I don't need to include any remarks, so now I can click confirm. And again, it's not a bad idea to confirm that address once again. Click confirm withdraw. And I will need to put in my trading password and email verification code that they will send you when you click send code. And of course your 2FA code. So I'll be right back after I get that done. All right, so I have all my codes in place. I click submit. The transfer has been successful. Just wait a couple minutes and those funds should appear here shortly over here with Celsius. And literally in less than a couple minutes, the Avalanche coins have arrived over here in Celsius, and I will begin earning 7.05 APY, which will be paid on a weekly basis pretty much every Monday on these AVAX or Avalanche tokens. And if I ever need to withdraw or liquidate these tokens, I can send them back to KuCoin, and Celsius will cover all fees in order for me to send these funds back to the exchange if I need to liquidate these tokens. So with that all being said, that pretty much wraps it up. If you like this video, do me a a favor, spike a like. If you like to see more videos on how to earn passive income, you might want to shoot that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to Celsius in the description down below. And remember, if you use my promo codes, you will get $50 worth of free BTC. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.